In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hover over a link to check it's a scam. This simple habit can save you from phishing pages, malware downloads, and fake login screens. And it only takes a couple of seconds before you click. Here's how to do it on a computer. Move your mouse pointer over the link without clicking. Most web browsers show the destination address in the bottom corner of the window, often on the left. Some apps show it in a small bubble near the cursor. Take a moment to read that address carefully before you decide to open it. Focus on the real domain name, not the link text. The domain is the part just before the first single slash. Read it carefully and watch out for tricks like extra words, misplaced dots, or subtle misspellings. For example, swapping a letter with a similar one, adding an extra character, or inserting a hyphen can turn a trusted brand into an imposter. Also be wary of very long addresses packed with random numbers or words. Scammers use noise to hide what's really going on. If the visible text of the link says one site, but the hover preview shows a completely different site, that's a red flag. The same goes for links that claim to lead to a familiar brand, but actually end in an unfamiliar domain extension. The padlock icon and HTTPS are good to see, but they do not guarantee safety by themselves. Scam sites can also use encryption. On a phone or tablet where you can't hover, press and hold the link instead. A preview should appear with the full address. Read the domain carefully, and if anything looks off, tap outside the preview to cancel. Do not open the link if you're unsure. Sometimes you'll see shortened links. If the hover or long press shows a short URL, expand it first using a trusted link expander, or by copying the link and previewing it in a safe tool before visiting. Avoid opening short links blindly. When checking a link, watch for unexpected file types like .exe or .zip at the end of the or of the address, which could indicate a download rather than a web page. And if you see a familiar brand name early in the address, but the actual domain at the end is unrelated, treat it as suspicious. If anything doesn't pass this quick check, don't click. Instead, navigate manually by typing the company's address into your browser or using a saved bookmark. Building the habit of hovering, reading, and pausing for 2 seconds is the fastest safety check you can do online. Stay cautious, and you'll stay safer.